Hello, my name is Bethany Ford from Logicforce. Today I'll be sharing how to create an out-of-office message on Outlook. Let's go ahead and navigate to Outlook to see how this is done. Once you're in Outlook, go ahead and navigate to the File tab at the top of your Outlook screen. When you click File, you'll get an option for automatic replies, or an out-of-office message. Click this button next to Automatic Replies. Here you'll see a pop-up where you can create your automatic reply. You can also specify the time range that you'd like it to happen during. Click Send Automatic Replies and check Only Send during this time range, if you'd like this to be only sent during a specified date range. Let's say I'm going out of the office on Wednesday, and I want that to be reflected all day. So anyone that sends me an email all day Wednesday will get my automatic message. You'll see that this will have two options, inside my organization and outside my organization. You can create two different messages for people inside and outside your organization. Let's say I want to say, hello, I'm out of the office today, to people inside my organization, and let's say I want to say the same thing to people outside my organization. Note here that this will be going to anyone outside my organization, including any senders that might be sending me advertisements in my email box. I'd really like this only to be sent to my contacts, so I'll check my contacts only. This way that people are in my contact book will get this automatic reply, but anyone that's sending me promotional emails won't. Then I can go ahead and click OK to make sure that these changes are reflected on the day that I will be out of the office. Thank you so much for watching this video. To request a video topic, email bford@logicforce.com or complete our video feedback survey in the description box below. Also make sure to connect with Logicforce on LinkedIn and our website via the links in the description box. Thank you again for watching.